Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another interesting program for you, and in this program I will be drawing a triangle on a scratch. How we can do that? First you have to go to the left bottom side of your application. There is a button called Add Extension. Click on it and then you have lot of extensions to add, but I'm going to add this pen extension which will help me to draw anything on a scratch. So the next thing is your script. Let's write down the blocks that will be helping us to draw a triangle. First you have to go to events and use this first one, when green flag click block. Then you have to go to the pen that you have just added and use this erase all block. This block will help to erase everything on the stage that has been drawn before. Then you use pen down. This will help to start writing. Next you have to go to control and use the repeat block. For a triangle it has three sides, so I will change 10 into 3. Next, inside that you need only two blocks. So go to the motion. First you need move 10 steps, but instead of 10 steps, 10 is a very small number. Make it 200 so the triangle will look bigger. The last thing is turn 15 degrees block, but instead of 15 we need to make it 120. So it will be a perfect triangle with 120 degrees on each side. Now this is all about making a triangle. Let's go make the screen bigger and see the result by pressing the green flag. Look at this. It's too fast that you can't even see the movement. If you want to make it slow, just go to control, use the wait 1 second block inside the repeat block. Okay, now let me quickly make it a big screen and then let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. This is a very simple and easy program that you must try at home. Stay tuned, stay connected for more fun programs on Scratch. Bye bye.